Ang challenge natin ngayon ay all answers starts with letter I, okay? Oh, makinig, madali lang to. Swerte ni Nala, nasa unahan. A frozen dessert made from a mixture of dairy products like milk and cream. Ice cream. Tama. 200 pesos.
Yes.
200, okay. Next. Ito. It is the 7th largest country by area, the most populous country since 2023, and since its independence in 1947, the world's most populous democracy. 5, 4, 3. Mag-guess kayo, mali. Iceland, mali. 5, 4, 3. India! Oy, naka-India! 200. Oy, naka-chamboy. Galing ha. Next. Swerte ni Kelly, madali to. Alam ng lahat to. A phrase that express deep affection, commitment, or appreciation for another person. 5, 4, 3, 2, I love you. 200. Makinig. A visual representation of something, which can be a picture, drawing, or sculpture. 5, 4. Mali. Next. May clue na doon, may clue. Image. Oh, galing ni Divina. Image. Hey! Ash. Uy, kaya ni Ash to. A piece of land completely surrounded by water that is smaller than a continent. 5, 4. May clue na doon. 3, 2, 1. Hindi alam, pass. 5. Hindi alam. Iceland. Island. 200, tama. An individual article or unit, especially one that is part of list, collection, or set. 5, 4, 3, 2. Intindihan nyo lang yung question. 1, 0. Mali. Next. Engineer. Letter I, hindi letter E. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Di alam. Ulitin ko. An individual article or unit, especially one that is part of list, collection, or set. 5. May clue na doon. 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Mali na agad. Mali. 5, 4, 3. Ulitin. Last na, pakinggan. An individual article or unit, especially one that is part of list, collection, or set. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Mali na. Next. Heart, go. 5, 4, 3, 2. Mali. Jel, go. 5, 4, 3. Hindi alam, ikaw. 5. Ulitin ko ha. An individual article or unit, especially one that is part of list, collection, or set. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ay, hindi alam. Ikaw. I don't know daw. Hindi alam. Ewan. Pass. Next. Go. 5. Item, tama. Item, 200. Okay.
Yung tama kay, ayaw maniwala sa akin.
Next. Oh, Bogs, madali lang to. Swerte. An Abrahamic monotheistic religion centered on submission to the will of God, who is called Allah in Arabic. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sagot. Madali lang yan.
Ikaw na ni Pastor yan.
Mali. Hindi alam. Islam. 200. Next. A great significance or value likely to have a profound effect on success, survival, or well-being. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Next. Letter I, huy. Diyan, letter I. Letter I.
Ay, naman yun ah,
In solution. Go. Sige, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sagot. A great significance or value likely to have a profound effect on success, survival, or well-being. 5, 4, mali.
Independence?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hindi alam. May ikaw. Ikaw ano? Kelly.
Napapaisip mo kat
Anong daw?
Pila kayo para marinig nyo. A great significance of value. Great significance or value likely to have profound effect on success, survival, or well-being. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Ay!
walis na. Ikaw, April. 5. May ka. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ikaw.
Individual?
Mali. Next.
Try mo lang.
Injection. Tinuruan ng kapatid.
At least may sagot, di ba?
Divina.
Hindi ano.
Pass. Ulitin ko lang pakinggan. Last na to. Great significance or value likely to have a profound effect on success, survival, or well-being. 5.
Intelligence.
Mali. Next. 5, 4, 5. Now, ang tama sagot ay kasi kayo'y mahalaga sa akin kasi kayo ay important. Okay. Next. The action or process of identifying someone or something or the fact of being identified. Instinct. Madali na yun. 5.
Invitation.
Makinig. The action or process of identifying someone or something or the fact of being identified. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Hindi alam. Ikaw sagot.
Identity? No.
Mali. Next. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
ICT.
Communicate.
Ano? Letter I, hindi letter C. Wala, mali na. Tulog pa si Ira. Go.
May ano yung pala, interpersonal communication pala yun. Hindi ako nag-iisa mga men. May kasama ako.
Makinig. Last na ulit na to The action or process of identifying someone or something or the fact of being identified. 5, 4. Mali. 5, 4, 3, 2. Ikaw. Walis na agad. 5, 4.
Identification.
Tama, identification. 200. Next. Not even or balance in shape or arrangement. Not even or balance in shape or arrangement. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Iisip na naman ako ah.
Next.
Iba na naman yung naiisip mo.
Ikaw, 5. Pass na.
Malayo.
Pass na si Divina. Ikaw,
Pass.
pass.
Wait lang, may sayo
Ha?
ako.
Mali. Improper. Malapit na yun eh. 5, 4,
Improper.
3,
Wait lang.
2.
Unequal.
Hindi equal, mali. Ikaw.
Ano ka na? Wala ako. Wala lang ako ulit eh. Kaya mo wala naman masagot ito.
Ikaw, wait lang. Sige na. Saka na.
Puko po yan eh.
Louie, 5, 4, 3. Gagawin ikaw.
Improper inside. Improper inside.
Improper answer. Mali, oh. Next.
Inequality.
Mali. Next. Ulitin ko ha, makinig. Last na, makinig. Kelly, makinig. Makinig. Not even or balance in shape or arrangement. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alam na ng mga babae ito. Oh, dito ka. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Circle.
In circle letter E yun, hindi letter I. 5,
Oh, hindi.
4,
Samahan niyo ako.
3, 2, 1. Ikaw.
Insurance, yes.
5. Mangula. Kelly, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ikaw. Last Kai.
Sa kanya.
Last kayo. 5, 4, 3,
Wala naman. Last na
2.
Impact.
Mali. Ang tawag sagot ay irregular. Next. The beginning part of something that serves to lead in and present
Okay, alam ko na.
the main topic. 5,
Ano?
4, 3, 2,
Main topic.
1.
Kasayin.
0.
Impression.
Mali. Impression. Pass na agad. Ikaw, Divina. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Pass daw, pass. Ikaw, Ash. Pass din. Ha? Tama, introduction. 200. Next. Makinig. A person or thing that influences another. Influencer. 200. Tama. Not able to occur, exist, or to be done.
Ako alam ko yan.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Di alam.
Wala naman.
Ikaw na naman. 5.
Insecure.
Insecure, mali. 5, 4, 3, 2,
And to be done.
1, 0. And be done yun, and be done. Not able to occur, exist, and be done. Or be done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Mali. Not able to occur, exist, parang not exist, or to be done, or be done. Not able to occur, exist, or be done. 5, 4, 2, mali. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ikaw, Kelly. Incomplete.
Ay, ko pala.
Ikaw. Hindi alam.
Endangered.
Hindi. Letter I yun, di letter E. Mali. Spelling. Mali.
Endangered ba yan?
Man, may idea.
Hoy!
Kung may idea.
Pass din. Ikaw. Imagination mo lang yun. Mali. Last na kay Bogs, ito ka. Bogs, Ano?
Sa akin.
Ay, sa kanya.
Ano sa'yo?
Sagot ako ng influencer.
Ikaw.
Kami na naman.
Vandialab, ikaw.
I don't know.
Ang tama sagot ay impossible. An electronic folder in which emails received by an individual are held.
Image.
Mali. Next.
Entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur, letter E yun, hindi letter I.
Iyan naman yun.
Yeah, next. Nala, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sagot.
Instagram.
Mali. Next. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sagot. Hindi alam.
iPhone.
iPhone. 4, 3, 2, 1. Mali. Next. 5. 5. Mag-guess kayo, baka makatama. 5, 4. Insight, mali. 5, 4, 3, 2.
School.
School. LSN. 5. Pass na naman. Go. Pass din na. Pass. 4. Pass. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ang tamang sagot ay box. In box, okay? It has a chemical formula of H2O and is found in many forms such as frost, snow, sleet, and hail. Go. Inhaler. Go. 5, 4, hindi alam.
Inhale.
5, hindi alam.
Ice.
Ice.
Candy daw.
Ice candy. Ano, ice candy? Ice candy? A genus of herbivorous lizards that are native to tropical areas of Mexico. 5, 4, 3. Insect. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Malungkot na. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, mag-guess na kayo ng animals. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hindi alam.
Alam ko na. Alam niya.
Oh, may ka.
English. Ako yan.
5, 4.
Alam ko eh.
Uy! 5, 4, 3. Ha? Iguana. Tama. Iguana. Yan. Narinig yung sagot. Oh. A structured conversation where one person asks question to gather information from another person. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Interact.
Mali. Pass na naman. Information, mali. Pass. Structured conversation where one person asks questions to gather information from one another person. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Interaction.
Mali, hindi.
Interpersonal communication.
5, 4, 3, 2. Ay, ikaw.
Influence.
Influence, mali.
Alam ko.
Ay, ikaw.
Interview.
Tama. Interview.
What's your name?
Next. Okay. Madali lang to, makinig. A human child from birth to approximately 1 year of age or until they begin to walk. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Kaya mali, hindi na yan. Ikaw. Ano? Alam ko na namin sagot. Infant, tama. Infant, 200. Next. A chemical element has symbol Fe. Iron. 200. Next. A small invertebrate animal with the body divided into 3 parts: head, thorax, abdomen, 6 legs attached to the thorax.
Ano siya?
5,
Sana ako sumagot niyan.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5. Ano, sagot na.
Okay.
Hindi na alam. Next. Insect. Ang ingay eh na. Naririnig eh. Yan, nasasagot tuloy ni Micah.
Galing nyo talaga, no? Sila ka talaga.
Ano ba yung tema mo?
Activity of gliding on ice using skates with metal blades attached to boots.
Ice skating. Tama, ice skating. 200.
Ice skating, oh. Okay, next. Last two. Makinig, madali lang to, madali. Madali. A colored liquid or paste used for writing, drawing, and printing, composed of a color ant. A color ant, like a dye or pigment, dissolved in a vehicle or carrier such as water or oil. 5, 4, 3,
Hindi na ako.
5, 4,
Oh,
3,
9.
pass. Ink, tama, ink, guys. 200, okay. Next. A deep, dark blue to bluish purple color and the historical organic dye made from plants or synthesized chemically, best known for its use in dyeing denim. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mali. Next. 5, 4, 2, 1. Mali. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hindi alam. Nala. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Thunder.
Hindi alam. Letter I. Letter I. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Impact. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Jet yun. Ano,
Ay, sana IC.
Isaac Newton.
Ikaw, Angel. 5, 4, wala.
Star.
Hindi alam.
Wala akong marinig sa kanya.
Okay, kanino last? Ay. Pass. Ikaw, last na sa'yo. 5.
Indigo.
Ha? Indigo, tama! 200, Bye-bye! Bye-bye!